How to make iced Americano in good coffee, great coffee. So this recipe for this is simple. It's only just 2 parts of espresso, 5 parts of cold water, and 2 scoops of ice. So if you have that recipe in mind, all you have to do now is start making the espresso. So start by grinding up some coffee and make it perfect, of course. Why not? Smash it down, put it back in the coffee machine. Make sure to use the small mug as you're only making a cold one. You should use the mug but since this is an iced one, we can use this one. Then we're gonna have to get a bigger cup over here and fill it up with the espresso. Then from there, just fill up the mug with cold water and then put 2 scoops of ice and fill it up to the brim of using the water. So if this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.